Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Samsung laptop not turning on black screen issue. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a number of different fixes what we can try. So we need to try the most common fix first. Now this is to check power, so make sure the charger is plugged in properly. We can also try a different wall outlet. Look for any charging light on the laptop. If there's no light, that charger or battery may be faulty. If possible, try another compatible charger. Now the next fix here is to perform a hard reset. So this clears stuck power states. So we need to turn off the laptop. So hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then unplug the charger, remove the battery if it's removable. Hold the power button back on for at least up to 60 seconds. Then plug the charger back in. Leave battery out if removable, then turn it on. Now check if there's a display issue. So sometimes the laptop is on but the screen is blank or black. So go ahead and press the caps lock here, and if it does the light toggle, listen for a fan or drive noise. Shine a flashlight at the screen. Faint image equals backlight issue. Also try connecting to a TV monitor or a spare monitor using a HDMI cable. If it shows on external play, that means you've probably got a faulty screen there. Now we can also force restart your graphics driver. So if Windows is stuck, we can go ahead and click on your Windows key. So your Windows key and Control, also Shift. So these three and B at the same time. And then this restarts the graphics driver and may bring the screen back.